Vertical walls are a real pain in the lake. In the past, people built walls to protect their property from erosion. But now we know that walls do much more harm than good. Walls cause big waves to bounce back into the lake. Those waves erode the lake bottom, kill native plants, and make the water choppy. The waves also destroy areas where turtles, birds, and fish live and eat. Choppy water is a nuisance, and sometimes a real danger to wakeboarders, boaters, and swimmers. Building this style of shoreline protection is no longer allowed. New designs must include a slope, plants, and natural materials. But anyone can replace an existing wall with a better, stronger design. Want to see what that can look like? In 2017, we replaced an old, failing wall in Imalong Park. Check out this strong, resilient, beautiful shoreline. Want a shoreline that improves lake life and doesn't cave to waves? Replace walls with a natural design.